Hi guys, welcome to this video. This is Dr.M.MOORTHI, working as Assistant Professor in the Department of Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the difference between conventional manufacturing and then lean manufacturing. How the conventional manufacturing was used in the olden days, and then what is the advantage, and then what are the key factors and then key features involved in lean manufacturing. So, if compared to conventional lean manufacturing, for conventional manufacturing, the lean manufacturing will have a higher and then effective and then efficiency in the manufacturing industry. Because the reason is, in the conventional manufacturing process, the industry is producing the products based on the forecast demand. But whereas in the lean manufacturing, the industry producing the products or the goods that depends on the feedback received from the consumer. That where the customer feedback or the thinking of what is called the industry from the customer perspective, and then producing the product to the customer need. So that is the major difference between conventional manufacturing and then lean manufacturing. See here, a manufacturing efficiency is likely to the overall operational efficiency of the supply chain. Being the cost adherent function within your business, the manufacturing industry continues to strive for higher manufacturing efficiencies to compensate for the rising cost of business. So this is the reason the industry are moving towards the lean manufacturing. Whereas the conventional manufacturing process, the inventory is high because of we are producing the product based on the forecast demand. Whereas in the lean manufacturing, we are producing the product what the customer needs and then what they want when they want. So that is the major difference that is the major reason for the industry are moving towards the lean manufacturing. So whereas as we have discussed with the traditional manufacturing, it is the mass production process, and then the products are at a larger scale, and then keeping larger stocks in inventory in the precursor of traditional manufacturing. So we are storing the product, or we are that is the inventory is much more higher, larger in the traditional manufacturing when compared to lean manufacturing. So the lean manufacturing producing the identical products without a prior understanding of customer need, and then the manufacturing department produces larger quantities of similar products based on sales forecast, but where here not focusing or not considering the customer or consumer feedback. So there and then we are producing the product based on the forecast demand. And then for lean manufacturing, so it is more towards the customer centric process, and then the customer focused business strategies. Lean manufacturing allows him to identify what each customer wants. So the philosophy was first introduced by the Japanese automotive manufacturing industry, and then they are used different lean manufacturing tools to implement the lean manufacturing in the automobile manufacturing industry. So the purpose of lean production was to keep inventory levels very low. When the customer wants or needs, so the industry is ready to manufacture or produce the product. And then there, the just-in-time is the core principle of today's lean manufacturing philosophy. In the business, only produce quantities of a product when they are ordered to minimize inventory holding cost. So that is the very important, the key point, that is the features associated with the lean manufacturing process. Industries are ready to produce or give the product when the customer wants. And then the lean production emphasize eliminating the risk of defective products by following customer needs closely. So where in the traditional manufacturing process we are producing the larger quantities of products, and then these products are stored in the inventory in the larger scale. So when the defect, if suppose there is a defect in the products or in the design phase or in the production phase, so entire lots of the products are getting defective. So for that case, we don't have any option. So only we are selling those products in the scrap. So for that case, entire the manpower in raw materials and then machinery cost. So entire cost will be in towards the loss of the industries. And then for lean production, if you find any defects in the particular product means, and then if you collect the feedback from the consumer or customer, and then we identify those, right, okay, these are the defects we are having with that kind of product, so that we can go back to reverse engineering and then design phase. So there is a possibility of ours, the designer, to rectify those defects. So that is another feature with the lean manufacturing process. And then with the lean manufacturing, the inventory level is very much low, and then it is more depends on the customer needs. So when you incorporate lean production, and then you follow a series of process to minimize and then eliminate any wasteful material to maintain the production level in the manufacturing industry. So this is the major difference between lean manufacturing and then conventional manufacturing process. Thank you.